Hello children. Next, radioactivity as the emission of alpha, beta and gamma radiations. Radioactivity means the emission of the radiations means alpha, beta and gamma. In the year of 1903, Rutherford experimentally studied the nature of radiations emitted by the radioactive substance. What is the nature of the radiations emitted by the radioactive substance is experimentally studied by the Rutherford. He found that on subjecting the radiations given out by a radioactive substance to a magnetic field in a direction perpendicular to their path, they separate out into three distinct constituents as shown in the figure. See the diagram. Out of that radioactive substances, three radiations comes out, and again these are all the different kind of radiations. See the diagram. Each radiation is divided with a certain angle, and again it will span out into the perpendicular direction of the magnetic field. Figure 12.4, in which magnetic field is normal to the plane of the paper, inward those which turn to the left must be a positively charged and are called the alpha particles. Because of the here the magnetic field is inwards. Into is nothing but the magnetic field is inwards. So those which turns to the left must be positively charged. Left hand side is positively charged. The positively charged radiations are called as alpha particles. Those which turn to the right must be negatively charged and are called the beta particles. Those who are radiations turn to the right hand side, it is called as the negatively charged particles, called as beta particles. The beta particles are deviated more than the alpha particles. See the diagram. The deviation is more for beta particle compared to alpha, because of the alpha particles having the more mass than that of the beta particles. Beta particles act as a only electrons. Next, alpha particles act as a doubly ionized helium atom, so that the mass is more than that of the beta particles, so that the beta particles are more deviated than that of the alpha particles. Next, those which passes undeviated, certain rays without any deviation, it will be passed in straight line manner, must be the uncharged and are called the gamma radiations. Without any deviation, some radiations comes out in a straight line manner. The rays are called as the gamma radiation. It is a symbol to represent the gamma radiation. Gamma radiations are the electromagnetic waves similar to light waves and are therefore not affected by the magnetic field. These are the light waves, so that it cannot be deflected with the help of the magnetic field. So, in order to calculate the direction of the corresponding rays by using the right hand rule or left hand rule, because of the left hand rule, the magnetic field direction, next again the current direction, next force direction, based on the diagram, you can easily identify alpha particle is deviated left, next again the beta particles is deviated right. See the diagram, and again the uncharged radiations, gamma radiations is moving in a straight line manner, because of these are the electromagnetic waves like a light waves without any affecting of the magnetic field. So you can easily understand the same radiation with the help of the electric field also. Similarly, if the radiations given out by a radioactive substance are subjected to an electric field in a direction perpendicular to their path, they again separate out into three constituents as shown in the figure. See the diagram 12.5. In that, the electric field is arranged left hand side and right hand side. One is a positive terminal and again the negative terminal. Whatever the radiations comes out from the radioactive substance, even though because of these average charged particles alpha and beta and uncharged particles gamma radiations, same thing what will observed in the last magnetic field also. In the case of the electric field, presence of the electric field also, the straight line radiations means the gamma radiations will be straight line manner, so that which are the uncharged particles. Next, some radiations are deviated right, and again some radiations deviated left. Those which turn towards the negative plate. Negative plate, it will be whatever the rays deviated through the towards the negative plate are the positively charged. Because of the positively charged or negatively charged will be attractive in nature, so that the positively charged alpha particles, those which turn towards the positive plate, or the negatively charged because of the beta it is a electrons. Next again the alpha it is a doubly ionized helium. It is a positively charged particles. Those which pass undeviated or the uncharged gamma radiations, the beta particles are deviated more than the alpha particles. Again the without deviation the uncharged particles are moving in a straight line manner. Those rays are called as the gamma radiation, and again here also the beta particles are deviated more in the diagram also you can see the alpha compared to alpha particles, because of the alpha particles are more mass than that of the beta particles. So that by experimentally studied by the Rutherford in both magnetic and electric field, this gives the alpha, beta and gamma radiations. Gamma radiations are the uncharged particles. Next alpha, beta. Alpha is nothing but the doubly ionized helium, because so that the charge is positive for the alpha particle and beta particle is a negatively charged, so it is called as a electron.